Invest in a sustainable future with our electric car charger installation service. Are you tired of waiting for hours to charge your electric car? Do you want to upgrade your home with an electric car charger but don't know where to start? We understand that choosing the right electrician for your car charger installation can be a daunting task. That's why we strive to make the process as stress-free as possible. From the initial consultation to the final installation, we will be with you every step of the way. Drive clean and save money with our electric car charger installation service. Contact us today to arrange your consultation and take the first step towards a greener future.